Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I already did my eyebrows. And please excuse me if I sound a little congested. I have a cold, so with the weather changing, that's what I'm dealing with right now. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes with the Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with the AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm going to use the Beauty Bay Berries palette. And I'm just going to take that shade and put that all over my lids. Now I'm using the Morphe James Charles eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to take that shade and put that in my crease. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell. You click all so be alerted of all my uploads. It's free, and I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos because that helps with my content being shown. For eyeliner, I'm going to use the Covergirl Get In Line Liquid Liner in black vinyl. Next, I'm using the House of Lashes eyelash glue and the Ioni Wispy medium cat eyelashes. To make sure there's no gap showing while I put my lashes, I'm going to use the Sephora eye pencil, and I'm also going to use the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. Now I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. Next, I'm using the Be Pure Blurring Press Powder in Medium Deep, and I'm just using this to keep my makeup matte and keep my face from getting oily. For foundation, I'm using the Uma by Sharon C Skin Perfecting Foundation in Bronze Venus T5. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just putting this the same places where I put the orange corrector at. To highlight, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Medium 3 Praline, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Beauty Bay bronzer in Chestnut. I'm going to use this to contour my nose as well as bronze my face. Next, I'm using the Huda Beauty Setting Powder in Cinnamon Bun. I'm just using this to set where I had that concealer at, as well as do reverse contouring. Now I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440 as my all over face powder. Next, I'm going back into the Berries eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to use that shade for my blush. To highlight, I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion 3D highlighter. I'm just going to use that shade to highlight. For lips, I'm using the NYX lip liner in Club Hopper and the Juvia's Place lipstick in Vogue. Now I'm using Flower Beauty Seal the Deal Setting Spray by Drew Barrymore, and I'm using this to set my face. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this mulberry makeup look that I did. It's a nice simple smoky look that you can do just using 2 eyeshadows, and you can use this as a nighttime look, evening look if you desire. So yeah, I just want to do something on a simpler side. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all to be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, everything I use will be listed in the description box, as well as all my social media handles. And please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos because that helps my channel and helps with my content being shown. If you have any suggestions for makeup looks, please let me know so that I can do them. And I appreciate each and every one of you watching. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.